What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix screenshot not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button. And then tap on restart. So when you will tap on restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone will fix the screenshot not working issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue while taking screenshot, then try updating your phone software. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates click on software update. Now from here update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software to the latest version, the screenshot issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix screenshot not working issue in your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.